In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Pipedrive pipeline and stages. A well-structured pipeline keeps your team focused and your deals moving. We'll start from the deals area, open the pipeline editor, update the pipeline name, make any needed adjustments to the pipeline details and stages, and then save your changes. If you have permission to edit pipelines in your account, you're good to go. Begin in your Pipedrive account and head to the Deals section from the left-hand panel. This is your command center for opportunities. At the top of the Deals view, you'll see your current pipeline displayed, along with its stages. This is where you manage how a deal progresses from first contact to a won. To customize it, look for the small pencil icon next to the pipeline name and click it. That opens the pipeline editor, where you can safely make structural changes without affecting the actual deals until you save. Think of this as your workspace to fine-tune how your sales process is represented. Start by editing the pipeline name. Clear, specific names help everyone pick the right pipeline every time. For example, if you run multiple sales motions, name the pipeline after the motion or segment it serves. Keep it short, consistent with your team's naming conventions, and easy to understand at a glance. While you're in the editor, take a moment to review the details and align them with your process. This is the perfect place to ensure the stages match the real steps your deals follow. Rename any stage labels so they're action-oriented and unambiguous. Arrange the stages in the exact order your team works, moving from early qualification to final negotiation and close. Aim for a concise flow. Enough stages to capture meaningful progress, but not so many that deals get stuck. If your setup includes stage probabilities, calibrate them to reflect realistic likelihoods of closing at each step. The goal is to make your pipeline both informative and easy to manage day to day. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. You'll return to the Deals view with your updated pipeline in place. Scan across the stages to confirm everything looks right. If something needs a quick tweak, reopen the editor with the pencil icon. Adjust and save again. Consistency is key, so share the updated structure with your team and make sure everyone understands what each stage represents. That's it. Your Pipedrive pipeline and stages are now set up to mirror your sales process, keep your team aligned, and provide accurate forecasting as deals progress.